let's take a look at the PG8 FEBF. One of the standout features of the PG8 FEBF is its industry-leading stainless steel alcove. Embossed logos and markings eliminate the need for labels, providing a clean and modern look while reducing waste from printed materials. Changing filters has never been easier with the Tilt N Tether system. This design allows for a quick and hassle-free filter replacement, reducing downtime and making maintenance simple for facility managers. Say goodbye to kneeling or laying on the floor to remove the front panel of the drinking fountain. This is a stand-up solution, making it more ergonomic and hygienic. This is a standard feature on our on-the-wall bottle filling station. It takes less than 1 minute to change the filter with one screwdriver. The PG8 FEBF also includes a low-energy LED light, making it easier for users to see where to place their bottle while consuming minimal energy. A smoother hydration experience starts with laminar flow. Laminar flow minimizes splashing, which reduces mess, which enhances safety and prevents water waste. Freshield is an Oasis exclusive antimicrobial feature on key plastic components of our drinking fountains and bottle fillers. This helps protect the surfaces from discoloration, odors, and degradation caused by the growth of microorganisms and mildew, helping to keep the surfaces cleaner between regular cleanings and reducing the need for harsh chemicals, which is a win for both hygiene and sustainability. Next is our bottles saved counter. Tracking sustainability progress is easy with the bottles saved counter. Every refill marks another step towards reducing plastic waste, giving facilities a tangible way to showcase their commitment to a greener future. Oasis contactless bottle filling stations include a timeout feature on the electronic eye. This prevents continuous water flow, helping save water, reduce spills, and improve safety. This ensures that water is only dispensed when needed, making it an ideal choice for schools, workplaces, and high-traffic areas. Oasis Retrofit bottle fillers are a simple but powerful way to transform existing coolers into modern, sustainable hydration stations. Many facilities are looking for sustainable upgrades without the cost or waste of replacing their entire hydration system. The Retrofit kit converts existing coolers into bottle fillers, helping organizations meet their environmental, social, and governance commitments while keeping high-quality hydration accessible. Not all retrofits are created equal. The Oasis Retrofit bottle filling station is the most versatile option on the market, designed to work with other industry brands. That means more flexibility and an easy upgrade path for any facility. Like our PG8 FEBF, the Retrofit kit includes the Tilt N Tether system, making filter changes quick and hassle-free. Facility managers can swap filters in seconds, keeping maintenance simple and efficient. Unlike some retrofit kits that rely on external trays or manual emptying, the Oasis Retrofit kit includes a fully integrated drain system. This means less mess, less maintenance, and a cleaner hydration station every day. The impact of retrofitting is massive. By upgrading instead of replacing, facilities reduce waste while ensuring access to safe, clean drinking water.